In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get HBO Max for absolutely free. Like, subscribe, now let's get into it. Now, HBO Max is another one of those streaming services that is just notorious for not giving out free trials. But kind of like with a lot of these streaming services, they will always have discounts. Now, whatever discount that they have, I'll throw it in the link in the description, and I will definitely keep that updated. But if you don't want a discount, you want it for free, there are a couple sneaky ways to get HBO Max for free. Now, this is very random, but if you have a DashPass, yes, DoorDash's premium product, DashPass, that includes HBO Max for free. Now, DashPass itself does cost money, but if you have Amazon Prime, which, let's be real, most of us do, you can get DashPass for free for 1 full year. So that means you get HBO Max for free for 1 full year. How fantastic is that? Now, if you've already taken advantage of that or you don't want to commit for the full year, Amazon Prime will always have 1 week free trials of HBO Max, so you can check it out at any time. Now, another way to get HBO Max for free is if you have Cricket Wireless. Yes, this is also random, but if you have this cell phone service, HBO Max is included for free. So lots and lots of options to get HBO Max for free. And that means all of their shows, live sports, and so much more.
And that is all I got for this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace!